Hey, it's Pete, GCI Turf. Hope you're doing good. And check this out. Now, you know, everybody in the world doesn't know a lot about lawn care. That's probably why you're watching YouTube, trying to figure out and learn some different things about how to grow turf grass. Well, hey, today, I'm not going to talk about grass. I'm going to show you something different. I'm going to show you just how stupid some people are. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you tell people over and over how to do things, and they just stupid. They dumb as a rock. I don't know if this fella follows me or what, but he sent me a video, and he said, hey, man, check this out. See what I'm learning. So I'm going to let you check it out, and I'm going to let you be the judge of this. And by the way, I did get this boy's permission to do this.
Good afternoon. It's Micah Denny with ICG, and welcome you to another episode of ICG Turf Academy for Dummies. Just want to talk a little bit about our equipment and some things that we think are important here at ICG. First off, being the equipment you use. You want to be sure you take care of it, maintain it. Right here today, we've got a standard ZK. It's a 755-inch deck on it, 3,000 horsepower motor. It'll run probably 60 miles an hour. Cut every blade of grass you want. Perfect piece of equipment, and you can actually see we've been cleaning it today. Got the deck guards off of it, pulley guards, got them cleaned up over there, drying in the sun before we put it up. Be sure we get all the water off of it, all the moisture. Over here, we're going to be using the Troy-built TB240 hyperdrive. This is a very strong push mower here for those small portions you can't get this 700-inch deck in. You know, this thing is it's a pony. I enjoy it. Get them at every Lowe's around the corner. This one here in particular is it's a front-wheel drive model. It does great in the snow. Perfect. Also, another important thing about our company, we like to have irrigation. It's key. It's key to the growing of the grass and the turf. Over here we've got the torrential downpour hydro pump 5000. Ours is actually submerged in the ground. They give you that handy little cover there. It's perfect for those thieves. You know, it's very very nice, expensive piece of equipment. People want to take that, so it's good to have it concealed where you can't just walk off from here. Take a lot to get out of the ground, but don't want it to walk off. As we walk over here, you know, there's more to it than just the pump. You've got to have a dispersing station, and I'll show you here up on the side of the house. See this little brown box there? That's the dispersing station 6000. You can hold about 200 foot of hose in there. It's very makes your irrigation system very maneuverable, very versatile. Do a lot of things with that. Come on down here, and just in case you run out of hose, part of the versatility of this system, you can add to it this handy little hose reel here. It actually even works on its side, as you can see there. I just got done using it. It still works on its side. Very, very dependable piece of equipment there. And you can get all that water, all that pump to the end. You got to have something to disperse it. And I prefer here the Gilmore gray and green 6000. Perfect for watering lawns, turf, filling your dog's water bucket up, washing the vehicle. Very versatile piece of equipment. I recommend it to everyone. You can see here I just got done watering this new patch of grass. It's glistening, growing. You can almost hear it. Just growing. It's just wide open. And you know why? Because that big ball of sun right there, that big thing right there. Where's it at? There it is. There it is. Look, my finger disappears in it. Let's come over here. See a little project we got going on, trying to get some grass growing around this dog lot here, because this fellow right here likes the mud. Yeah, you get over here, you can see what kind of product we got growing. This is some tall type fescue with a little bit of variety. If you can see right here, here's our variety. That's actually a pretty strong variety. Let's get rid of him. All right, but anyway, see what we got. Some nice tall type fescue. Got a little variety in here. Now the dog's chewing on the weed. Okay, get over here. I'm gonna let you in on a secret. What I think is great for this type of environment here in central North Carolina. Not only do you need the sun, moisture, soil, things like that for seed to grow and thrive, you also need a good bed of red cedar shavings. It works great. Just helps keep the ground moist underneath. In addition to that, the yard smells great. It smells like the great national red forest. You know, if I didn't have this video to make, I'd probably come out here and lay down. It smells so good. A few more things we got here. Let's actually see if we can locate a one of these BS Adjuvant 5000 natural fertilizers. There should be one around here somewhere, as long as they all haven't dispersed. Oh wait, here's one. Let's take a look at this right here real quick. See if you can see it there. See right there? That's what we call the BS Adjuvant Natural 5000 fertilizer bomb. Works wonders on the grass. You know, it's just one of those things that it's naturally made in the universe. You can't really buy it anywhere. Maybe. I don't know that you want to. But it works wonders on the grass, you know. If you need some seed and some weeds transplanted somewhere, you know, just random spots in the yard to pop up, that's the way to do it. You're just very fortunate that we actually got to see this, and this actual BS Adjuvant Natural 5000 fertilizer bomb hasn't went off. Just barely, very fortunate to see it in its natural state. And when I say went off, I actually mean it hasn't been stepped in or ran over by the lawnmower and driven into the garage. But anyway, so it's good to see you guys again. Thank you for joining in. Appreciate your support, and if you got any questions, just comment. ICG.
I'm sorry if I can't quit laughing at that fool. That's my brother, and he sent me a text, and he sent me that right there, and I like to fell over in the floor laughing so hard. I almost threw up. I was dry heaving. It was so funny. So hey, I hope that made your day today. And no, you're not dumb and you're not stupid. Okay, there's a lot to learn. I'm learning, you're learning, we're all learning. I just thought that might brighten your day. Hey, get your laugh right. Yeah, that's my brother. And as you can see, he's got a little sense of humor. Let me tell you something else about him. That boy gets up every day and he puts a badge on to protect people like me and you. He sacrifices himself on a daily basis. Something else that boy did is he served his country in the Marine Corps. And he put his life on the line for me and you and our freedom. And let me say this, if you're going to be one of them jokers that's going to crack on him in the comments and all, I don't want to hear that crap. You respect him for who he is. All we're trying to do is brighten your day.